Today we will look at page 82, counting and 100 square. So section A, in each middle box write a number between 1 and 50. Then write the number that comes before it and after it. So if we look at question 1 here, they've done it already for us. So the number they've put in the middle is 25. So the number then that comes before 25 is 24. And then the number that comes after 25 is 26. A second example here, they've given us two numbers. So the middle number is 49. The number that comes before 49 is 48. Do you know what number comes after 49? Yes, it's 50. The third example, they've given us the middle number, which is 18. So you have to work out what number comes before 18 and fill it in here, and then what number comes after 18 and fill it in here. Then with the other 9 questions here, so what you do is you fill in the number in the middle first, and then work out which number comes before and after. Section B, then write these numbers in the 100 square, then fill in the rest. Okay, so they've given us lots of numbers here that are in the number square already, and they want us to fill in these numbers here written in red into the 100 square. Now after you've written all these numbers into the 100 square, there will still be a few numbers missing, so you have to work out which numbers are missing and fill them in. Part 2 here, you don't have to do this, but if you like, you can. You can make an exercise for somebody at home, and you can get them to try and fill in the missing numbers. Last section then, section C, which is quite easy. All you have to do is draw the correct amount of items. So number 1, you have to draw 24 bottles. So if you keep your drawings nice and small and neat, and then number 2, 42 circles, and so on. So you can try all of those. Good luck.